Hello students, today we will discuss about chapter 1, Introduction to Political Science, Meaning, Scope and Nature of Political Science. Page number is 3, 4 and 5. Let us first discuss about what is the meaning of political science. The term political science intimately related to word politics, and politics is derived from Greek word polis, which means a city-state, and Greek city-states also given us a famous political philosopher Aristotle, and he is also regarded as the father of political science. He was born in 384 BC and died in 322 BC. Political science is both very old as well as a new discipline. While its historical roots date back to ancient Greece, times of Plato and Aristotle, and its newest and modern form has been the modern political theory. The study of political science involves the study of both traditional political science and modern political science. First, we will discuss about traditional political science. In its traditional forms, which has been present since very ancient times, ancient Greece, 3rd and 4th century BC. Political science continues to be defined as the science of state and government, and it concentrates on the study of state, government and other political institutions. Then second we have modern political science. So after the coming of the behavioral revolution in the study of politics in mid-20th century, in place of focusing attention on the study of state, government and other political institutions, modern political science begins focusing on the study of political behavior, political relation, political action, political integration and political processes. The modern political theory rejects the nature, scope and principles of traditional political theory, and it came to be more popular than the traditional political science. Then we have meaning of political science, traditional view. The traditional or classical study of political science begins in ancient Greece. Aristotle was the first person to present the theory of state, and which at that time used to be called polis. The term polis used in ancient Greece for describing a city-state. Then we have some traditional definition of political science. There are so many traditional philosophers of political science like Paul Janet, Gattel, Gardner and Pisans. Here, according to Gardner, political science begins and ends with the state, and according to Pisans, political science deals with the state and government. And in simple words, in its traditional forms, political science is defined as a social science which involves the study of the organization and activities of the state and the principles and ideals which underlie its political organization and activities. Then we have traditional view of difference between politics and political science. In traditional view of politics and political science, a sharp distinction is made between these two, politics and political science. Political science is regarded as the science of state and government, and politics is regarded as the current problems and issues faced by the government.